a traditional song written a long time ago, words by Robert Burns. I played this capoed up on the 4th fret. Everything I say will be relative to the capo, so if I say I'm playing a G, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly a B. Chord structure for a lot of the song is a G, E minor, A minor 7th, and D, which means the bass is G, and then everything else is open. Open E, open A, open D. Starts off with this D chord. I only place the string 6, 5, and 4. So I'm holding down the F sharp on the 6th string. And the melody there is on the 4th string, D. And then it goes into the song. For the G chord, you play the G bass, and the melody can be 1 or 2 strings, but the melody is 3rd string G, and then 4th string F sharp. And then it moves to an E minor chord, playing the 3rd and 2nd strings. And then it moves to the A chord. And for the A chord, I'm playing the A in the bass and the 2nd fret on the 3rd and 4th strings. And then lift off the 3rd string for the melody. And then you move to the D chord. I'm just playing a D and the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, which is an A note. So the first run is... this 2nd and 3rd string A, their note there, and start back over with the same chord structure. So you're hitting a G in the bass, 3rd string in the melody, and then the E in the bass. And for your melody, for that E minor chord, it's a B and a D on the 2nd string. And here, instead of moving to an A7th chord, it moves to a C chord with your melody on the open E string, 1st string. And then I fill in with this E note, which is the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then you play the melody before you go back down to the G. Everything's the same until you get to this D chord. It only gets 1 beat there because you jump to a B7th chord and hit the 2nd and 3rd strings as your melody. And then you move to an E minor, playing your 3rd string as the melody, 4th string is your melody, and then you move to a C chord. You're just playing the 4th and 5th strings there, and then the D chord, and you just lift off the 4th and 5th strings, playing both of those open, and then back to the G, playing your 3rd string as your melody. So the whole first part looks like this. And then for the chorus, it follows the same chord structure. What you're doing there for the G chord, it's an open E, and then the D for the melody for the G chord, E minor, and then to your A minor. minor 7th. And then to the D, and then it repeats. Open E, E minor, D in the melody, and then it goes to a C chord with no melody, just bass. And then back to the G, E minor, A, D, B, E minor, just like before. So this whole chorus break part is. All these melodies can be played with 1, 2, or 3 strings as long as you're playing the chord properly.